Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the feature in Settings so the keyboard can show emoji. Go to Languages and Input or General Management, then open Keyboard Settings. Once there, tap Add Keyboard or Input Methods and choose the Emoji option. That makes the keyboard aware of emoji characters. Make sure to grant any requested permissions so the keyboard can switch. After enabling, return to any app with text input to see the next step, switching to the newly added emoji keyboard. You now practice switching into emoji mode. Open Messages or Notes and tap the globe icon, smiley face, or long press the /Enter key to cycle keyboards. Different systems use different controls. Once in Emoji View, you can swipe across categories, use the search bar to type keywords, or long press an emoji for variations like skin tone or gender. Make sure to memorize where frequently used emoji live so you save time later. And note that third-party keyboards may offer extra stickers or GIF. You finish by customizing and handling problems. Install a third-party keyboard for extra emoji sets or skins if the default lacks what you want. Allow full access only if you trust the developer. If the emoji panel disappears, make sure your OS and keyboard app are updated. Then restart the device and try switching again. If issues persist, reset keyboard settings or remove and re-add the emoji keyboard. One key troubleshooting tip: restart the app or device before deeper resets to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.